So human trafficking is when a person compels another person through force, fraud, or coercion to engage in commercial sex or forced labor. Commercial sex is defined as exchanging sex for something of value. Many times that can be money, but it could also be a place to stay or food to eat.
The Houston Airport System's mission is very clear. It's to connect the people, persons, economies, and businesses of the world with Houston. And with that comes responsibility, because human trafficking doesn't just happen somewhere, it happens here. And we as the Airport Authority have been working on this issue since 2019, where we work as an airport to collectively try and stop human trafficking while it transits our airport.
But as we've come into this space and collaborated with partners and really gotten integrated into all of the different victimizations, human trafficking has this nuance that you really have to understand.
When a survivor first gets out of trafficking, their nervous system is still elevated, they're in survival mode. And oftentimes we think a lot about how we need to enact services right away for them, but what they really need is they need safety, they need stabilization, they need people that they can trust. That takes a lot of effort and a lot of coordination with lots of services that they'll need to rebuild their life and get their life back.
So you really can't do that work without that assistance. So you have to have collaboration with non-governmental organizations in order to be effective. Our work is incomplete if we're not taking these people out of slavery, out of forced sex trafficking, out of forced labor trafficking. If we're not taking them out of this environment, if they re-enter that environment, we failed. So these collaborations are absolutely necessary.
So for today, we're very excited to offer you this educational opportunity where you can take an understanding and walk around here and see the signs of human trafficking, how we deal with it.